Welcome to the Fact Nexus. If you want to master Python from scratch to an advanced level, you're in the right place. In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of Python. This includes installation, running Python code, variables, data types, operators, and user input. At the end, I will give you a fun challenge to test your skills. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why Python is one of the most popular programming languages today? Python is a high-level, interpreted. Sure is. Python's known for being a high-level language, which means it's designed to be easier for humans to read and write. It's also an interpreted language, so you can run Python code as soon as you write it, without needing to compile it first. Here you go. How can you start coding in Python on your computer? First, go to python.org and download the latest version of Python. After installing, open the command prompt and type python-version. If you see something like python 3.x.x, congratulations. Python is successfully installed. Which tool should you use to write Python code? Python code can be written in many IDEs or integrated development environments. Here are the best ones. VS Code, lightweight and beginner-friendly. PyCharm, best for large projects. Jupyter Notebook, perfect for data science. Let's write a simple script in VS Code and run it. Print, open parenthesis, quotation mark, hello from VS Code, exclamation point, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Now you are ready to write real Python code. How does Python execute your code? Python is an interpreted language, meaning it runs code line by line instead of compiling it all at once. To run a Python file, save it as filename.py and type this in the command prompt. Python filename.py. Let's try another example. Print, open parenthesis, quotation mark, welcome to Python, exclamation point, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Simple, right? Now let's explore variables. How does Python store and manage different types of data? Unlike other languages, Python does not require explicit variable declarations. Just assign a value, and Python detects the type automatically. Here are some common data types. Integer. Example, x equals 10. Float. Example, y equals 3.14. String. Example, name equals Python. Boolean. Example, is active equals string. Let's check an example. X equals 5. Was so tall he had to bench Ashil, who lived in the town of Hampi. Hello, who lived in the town of Hampi. Print, open parenthesis, type, open parenthesis, x close parenthesis, comma, type, open parenthesis, y close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This prints the type of x and y. How can we convert one data type to another in Python? Typecasting allows us to convert variables between integer, float, and string. Example, age equals quotation mark, 25, quotation mark. Age equals int, open parenthesis, age close parenthesis. Hash converts string to integer. Print, open parenthesis, age comma, type, open parenthesis, age, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Typecasting is useful when working with user input. How do we perform calculations and comparisons in Python? Python supports various operators. Arithmetic operators include plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus. Comparison operators include double equals, not equals, greater than, and less than. Logical operators include and or, and not. Here is an example. A, B equals 10, 20. Print, open parenthesis, A plus B, close parenthesis. Hash addition. Print, open parenthesis, A greater than B, and B greater than 5, close parenthesis. Hash logical A and D. This prints the sum and a logical comparison. How can we take input from users in Python? Python provides the input function to take user input. Example, name equals input, open parenthesis, quotation mark, enter your name, colon, space, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Print, open parenthesis, quotation mark, hello, comma, space, quotation mark, plus, name, close parenthesis. If the user enters Alex, the program prints, hello Alex. Quick recap. We covered what Python is and why it is important. Installing Python and choosing an IDE. Writing and running Python scripts. Understanding variables, data types, operators, and user input. Next up, control flow statements in Python. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Now, it's time to test your skills. Solve these challenges and comment your answers below. First, write a script that takes two numbers and prints their sum, difference, product, and quotient. Second, ask the user for their birth year and calculate their current age. Third, swap two integer variables without using a third variable. Let me know your solutions in the comments. I will feature the best ones in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Fact Nexus for more Python tutorials.